tune.
Yeah.
Give the tune.
Give the tune.
Man, a shooting movie, directing movie, editing movie, casting movie, and the soundtrack.
Have the tune.
Watch the soundtrack for the movie.
Yeah. Let go me locks and make me head run free.
Yeah.
Who me attack big ugly RG?
Yeah. Pull up.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
You don't tell me say you're forward, you get me? You never have just drink some tea from this morning. Yeah. And a piece of bread and butter, you get me?
Yeah.
But I just say me now hold it out till you're forward.
Okay, if you don't pay money.
Yeah. But I say if I did borrow even $500 from the girl at the shop, she would give me, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but me I said so. I'm not going to bother her, you see me, you know.
Yeah.
When the rain all fall, was falling all to them, it all wet, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I can't really lift out the bed, this piece of bed for move it.
Okay, so it's wet.
Yeah, because you see me, because one whole day now they sink them, you know.
Oh, okay, so you get that wet.
So I couldn't lift out the bed for a piece of bed for move it. But you go over that corner still.
Oh, you go over that corner? Ja. Everything I got alright because I'm still going to put in some work for you, you know.
Yeah, kid, man.
I'm sad out for you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, man.
So all I have to do donation for you?
Okay, program. I said so.
Yeah.
If I go over there and raise some money, I know I say I must see key, you know, so it's more alright.
And so I say, man, you see me, we're going to start out the place for everything.
Yeah, key, man.
And we get donation towards the work we put in as well too.
Yeah.
Isn't it? So it will definitely be done.
I know,
So,
okay, man.
so right now I have a donation from Ribbon. This is from Ribbon from the USA.
Okay.
USA. $7,000.
Okay.
So count that.
Yeah.
Count it. $7,000.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, man.
That's from Ribbon
Ribbon.
from USA.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Because right from morning, Mr. Hungry and knock.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Kino I done tell me from yesterday. I never really worry about it. Because I know my soon see him.
Alright then, so
Thanks, Mr. Raymond.
yeah, you also have Edley C from the UK, Ilford.
Okay.
2005 from Edley C from the UK.
Yeah.
So count that.
Yeah.
2005 from Edley C.
Yeah. Thanks also,
Edley C.
Mr. Edley.
Yeah. Yeah, Edley C from the UK.
Yeah.
And you also have Carl and Denny's from the USA.
Okay.
As I said, towards the material.
Yeah.
$10,000 from Carl and Denny's.
Thank you so much, Carl and Dennis.
Yeah.
5,
10 from Carl and Denny's from the USA.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Kina, wow. You don't know my feeling. So I have more than, I can buy more than food right now. Yeah. But when I go to Kina, so like,
and see me, you have money to spend, so you know, so you have food and everything.
Yeah, Kina.
So most people see me continue to contribute towards
Yeah.
your needs, you understand?
Yeah.
So as I say, You have an unknown. We have a supply with as well to with material stuff.
Okay.
You see me, so we can start out the place for you. You see me, so everything will be alright.
Yeah, Keenan, man. No, man, because I put my trust in the Lord, no, man.
Yeah.
Although I'm not go to church still, but I know there is a God. Of
course.
I always
Of course, there is a God, always.
ask him for help.
Yeah.
You get me, Keenan? And then from you tell me, say, man, I get help. Nothing to worry about.
Nothing to worry about, because the Father God, Him send the help, Him send the
You get
blessings.
me?
You
Yeah.
understand? So, everything will go work out. You see me?
My thanks to everybody who made me have this donation. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so make sure so you have a good bed as well too. So
Yeah, Keenan, man.
put them thing there and in place as well so you can have a bed
Yeah.
as well, yeah?
Yeah, man, Keenan.
Alright then, so we'll continue.
Yeah.
Put out the prayers for you, see you here.
Okay.
Blessings to the donor them.
Yeah.
We'll reach out to you.
Yeah, man.
We can't thank them enough. You see me?
Yeah.
We can't thank them enough, so you don't know, say, I have to give
Okay.
thanks to them every time, you know?
Yeah.
Because it's really hard now for people who like go out in a corona time and for them can make the effort, can make things happen.
Yeah.
If you always appreciate and give thanks to them, you know?
Yeah,
And hope them food basket will never go empty.
Sure.
So you don't know, give thanks to the Almighty for the strength and everything with them give them.
Yeah.
So Juki, just go on with the faith, see you,
Yeah,
man.
my friend Keenan, man.
I don't know,
Thank you
say,
so
they're
much.
gonna reach out back to you, see you, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Alright, Keenan.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
See ya? Finally. Yeah. Rosa.
See me, huh?
Yeah.
We do so much show with him. Comedy show we doing, I never know the man of action. Karate. You see me? We do pure comedy to and the man do a blockbuster action movie.
Yeah.
Take over the place. My friend, the movie got viral, so all where we have put out a show, Rosa.
You see my back?
You're the man.
You can't touch my back.
I can't touch your back, man.
Like before, nobody couldn't touch my back. You can't touch it all like.
Where?
Yeah, to see now, yeah.
Look at me here, look at me here.
Not the tune. Yeah. Give the tune.
Yeah, she not
Man, a shooting movie, directing movie, editing movie, casting movie, and the soundtrack.
Have the tune.
Watch the soundtrack for the movie.
Yeah. Lego me locks and make me head run free.
Yeah.
Who me at a big ugly G?
Pull You see? He have the soundtrack already.
So me I tell you, so all along we have put together a comedy movie, and a comedy man of all action.
Action.
So Eddie Murphy, Martin Lawrence, Kevin Hart, Chris Tucker, and I have nothing over Rosa Rose.
No, but Rosa,
So the man
Rosa.
is like an R. Kelly.
Okay.
Write, film, edit,
Everything.
script, and then upon top of that the man doing soundtrack.
Yeah.
Just check it out, check it
Check
out.
it out.
Check it out.
Like a relax, but my head run free.
Them locks make him head
Run
run
free.
free, you know?
Who me attack, I do one
Coming
RG.
soon to a theater near you.
Oh, come in.
Rosa Rose, man.
Rose, I want that bad. That's true that bad, yeah, that's true that bad. Nothing can beat that in a badger. Nothing can beat that.
Be continue.
To be. The man make sure I have a tune feed. So anybody say anything, him have a song feed. So you can't beat him on that right now. I'm a lead. You see me? I'm a lead. Wait, what the boss say it?
Take on a lick, man.
I'll give the test run.
Yeah.
What the test run?
You know what going behind towards doors.
Yeah. Lollipop.
I know the problem.
Browning.
He's black. Oh, how is the chef gone? So nice.
What they not talk about him too, you know.
Yeah.
I said the man just rise and fall within 2 months.
Yeah, relate to you.
I'm have to tell them, man, they have their place hot up on that ground. I say, yeah, one more till they get to rise.
Right.
I think the normal get to trench town.
Yeah.
I
Cheers.
say, man, gone, and then the next thing I hear, so I say, well, thanks, Sharky, but I'm able to go and just there, so.
There, I see you.
There you see you, man. Put in the work.
No gone away.
You have to find
There, I
back a
see you,
tune for them.
man.
I find it, man.
Find back a tune for them because they really need people like you.
Right now.
French don't need people like you for let for fly out.
And I have a song right now I go on good too as well, you know.
Which one now?
One of the songs them well, yesterday I said boss, but that one right now it boss again. If I hear one song boss twice.
It nice, boss again.
Yeah,
It nice, I know.
nice I know. Nice I know.
They up on the ground, man, just on a fresh up and walk out the road. There's no
You
place to
take,
change.
you take for real.
Yeah, man. See them
Yeah.
The video car, make sure Rose ain't got the video.
Rose,
Rose have a
That's
G,
send
man.
off the video.
Rose just have a big tune a while ago and you miss it. Yeah man, man.
They go relax.
Run free.
Yeah, talk.
And the one RG. Man be like tune a while ago. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, you know.
Cool off the play right now, tired.
Yeah. Yeah, but we might run on your belly, you know. You know, see what I go on.
That's the different right now, man. I'm on the straight of morning time, I work it off.
Exercise and exercise
Yeah.
class, man. Hold for ball and play.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Man, you see?
I reach
Hold
your
the ball
level.
and play, man.
Anyway, I reach your level, I give you.
Yeah.
That's one can't time a shoelace for now.
Let's take it back. Yeah, so that's
They
it.
say hot.
Don't say place hot, man. Not better than you. I
Time,
melt it
man.
up, man.
Yeah, man.
Man, hot.
Fresh, you know?
Two belly them in a competition.
Yeah, man, I want to run off my football.
Yeah. Two belly in a competition. Fans get a lead.
Wide outside.
That's a pure belly. This a marine and belly and t-shirt.
Yeah, man.
So I'm saying, coming up so high up.
Yeah, yeah.
You're sexy. You're sexy.
Oh, yeah, man.
One pack and no pack.
Cake
Not-
work with.
One pack and one and cake.
Tell us I can't give me a base of work with.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You see what I say?
One cake and a basin.
It's natural.
See that about?
Yeah,
I
man.
see that?
Yeah, man. She my care. She need a
Yeah.
Something about the walk there.
Yeah.
The whole of Turk Street worried.
Yeah.
Whoop!
Whoop. And boy, that's a whoa.
Whoa,
So him have whoop and you have whoa.
whoa, whoa. Whoa, you don't know if
And
I'm
whoop.
from something to sell, you know.
Yes, cheers.
So I think
Whoop.
I'm selling, you know, that. Yeah, my people tired. Hot, man, fresh now, you know.
Yeah.
There's some.
And there.
There's some.
Yeah, give it none.
It's a liquor.
Yeah, me come them over. 4 feet. I want a little piece. Just want a little piece in there. So first you can cut that away.
Can't cut, yeah man. Don't stop at all.
What? You cannot find him up.
That ring out. That ring
Let's see
out.
that film now. You see?
Card where I use, we not a card today, so I use the card.
Buy 2 of them.
You see me?
What about the can run in a country?
Them taxi are foundation taxi, you know, card.
Yeah. It's them for 10 green,
Yeah.
the driver.
The driver, one son.
Yeah, the builder. Yeah, the
The driver. Oh, original taxi.
Information.
You say one team, dream team.
One team.
Boy, now have him shirt so that we don't watch no face.
Yeah, man, straight. You know?
How you sure the boy? Chelsea has support to the walk on.
Chelsea outside him there.
Chelsea
Shirt
aside.
up on the tape. Yo. I go around and put on my shirt, man, you know.
Yeah, I know. Cause the man them fits. Yeah, so hear me I say the dream team.
Gears out in the
So nothing on them say, you know. So yeah, everybody drink for the team.
Yeah, man.
From Crucial, from Waterhouse,
Big up crew.
in the UK.
Crucial.
Big
The
up
man
now
say
to
the dream team.
Yeah, man. You
Yeah, man, oneness, man, crucial. We love the appreciation, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Crucial. One team,
One team, and one love, you know. That's crucial.
Straight.
Yeah.
So see it here,
Yeah,
back
man.
a quart and a Campari and a special. Brahmo!
What's in the man?
A Brahmo special.
Yeah, man.
No problem.
Yeah. What don't think that? No.
Blessing crucial.
So the man them get the engine oil now.
Yeah.
So you know the thing go, the engine oil.
Stop working on it. If I will get this, the work, you know.
Yeah, straight.
You know.
So give thanks. So Crucial, big up yourself in the UK.
Service the
Straight
engine,
from the
right?
UK, you know.
Oil for the engine, we have a service up on.
Right there now.
Oil change and all
Yeah.
of these things.
Yeah, man.
You know.
So chef, how you cook today?
No, it's a 5 pound of rice, you know, half pound of saltfish, you know.
Yeah.
About 3 butter bean in the car.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, you pray over the rice then.
No, it's the 5 pound I never cook. For once I start with the 5 pound, I have to start pray for me and wash it.
Yeah.
I have to come in.
Bless
I
you.
have to come in, you see.
Yeah. So you gotta start pray before you start wash.
Mackerel up on the side, you know.
Right.
Yeah.
Or 2 fish head or something.
Shake it out.
Yeah.
Right on.
So that put a pumpkin in the rice.
Pumpkin, look
Yeah,
up on the
man.
rice.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man, don't make it too wide.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa.
They don't know.
I get the pumpkin, you know.
Yeah.
No, I must show the pumpkin because it's a one nogle, you know.
Cha
Yeah,
cha.
yeah.
Italian.
Yeah.
Italian.
Spice stuff. Italian spice.
Italian. They say it's sent down already. Come now, you think I come from Italy, you know.
Yeah, man, come, man.
Clear,
Fucking
wow.
come already, the stove and the pot, so.
Yeah, see there.
For coming, you know.
So you get the stove on the pot,
so-
touchdown.
No, we have Italy, England, Germany.
Yeah, France. Yeah, Canada.
Oh, the word.
Yeah, that. Yeah, the spicy season.
Yeah.
The chicken gone back, come back. Whoa!
Whoa, where you say chicken is back?
Chicken back is back.
And so I go with chicken. Chicken out half the market now.
Yeah, man, so we have chicken back all week now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so, you know.
So chicken back is enough.
Yeah.
So now we can't run out. We can't run out.
Whoa, yeah, man.
See them way.
Yeah, man.
So the chef. So the
Yeah,
chef
man, you
there.
see.
Yeah, man. I want to take
Yes,
now.
man, can I put on my gears here?
One
You
team,
see.
dreams team, still have
Yeah,
working on.
team.
Never stop. I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Want the donors them say boy, we not complete it, but you don't know it's a full package, so
We are dealing with the bathroom right now, which are part of the convenient Prince and them things there. So when everything full up, you don't know. Everything done. No, that's one thing.
One team.
One dream.
Yeah, no sir, one team.
Yeah, one team.
And then, no, up and running.
team, you know.
So they are put in the work. Some of them get the engine there.
Right.
Up and running.
Yeah.
We need to cut them cars.
Where's that? Have it.
Prince bathroom. Up and running. Yeah. Yeah. Prince. Rise and shine. Give God the glory.
You know, I'm mash me up still, you
You
know.
have the flu though.
I'm mash me up still, you know.
See it there. The dream team they are work as usual.
Yeah.
To the bathroom up and running. So I have 2 donations for you.
Yeah.
Prince himself. Remember the name we used to call in our school? Prince Fly.
Yeah.
Have you get a name though?
Yeah.
Prince Fly.
Yeah.
Prince Fly have wings.
True.
So you're a Prince. You have $8,000 from Carl and Denny's from the USA. Count that. From Carl and Denny's from the USA.
5, 6, 7, 8.
$8,000 from Carl and Denny's.
Big up yourself, Carl and Dennis. Much love, much thanks, guide and protection. Selassie the first, you know. Only for love, Dennis.
Yeah, and Carl.
Yeah. And Carl.
So you have also Dana from 28 from Canada. $7,000 from Dana from 28.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
From Dana from 28 in Canada.
Dana from 28 from Canada. Big up yourself, Dana. Only for love, only for respect, guide and protection.
Sure.
Jah love.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Tingo. Put in more love and more strength.
Yeah.
Dream team they are work on your thing. You see me? So everything's so up and running, Prince.
Yeah.
Fly. Them school name the Prince Fly. Oh, no, man.
Cheers, man.
Years. You see me? Big up yourself, Prince, man. I don't know where they are going with the good work here.
Yeah, man.
They're going with the faith as usual.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Yeah, man, you know. Yeah, man,
Yeah.
thanks, man, out there, man, you see?
So, pot ready.
Yeah, man, trade you up, you know.
Up and running.
man.
This is saltfish and beef. Beans.
Yeah, man, you see myself? Up and running, man, you know.
Man, on the stove as well to mackerel and thing on side.
Yeah, man. Butter bean night, you know.
Baked bean.
Baked bean night, yeah, man.
See it there.
You know,
Saltfish and
saltfish, you see myself? Baked bean. That's a paper, proper style, man, like healthy one, you know. Yeah, you see, healthy one, you know.
it's up on the stove.
Yeah, man, it's so clean and pretty, cause we just line them up and put them in the soap.
I lock it down.
I'm a bleach, you know. Wipe them down proper and thick. Whoa!
Whoa.
See, man.
On the side.
Yeah, man. You know,
The curry sprat.
curry fish head and
Fish.
yeah, man, two
Okra
sprat
and
on the side, right, you know.
Is it 2 sprat on the side?
Right, on the side, right, you know. You see me, I say?
2 pieces of fish head.
Yeah, man. Own a fish head, you know, watch it. Red, gold and green, same way, you know.
Rasta color.
Rasta color, you know, cause now you see it.
Stretches.
Yeah, man. Yellow
Stretch.
curry, red, gold, you see me, I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Rasta color, man, you see, you know.
So fish head them there.
Yeah, man, beef flesh up on them, man, you know. Flesh them, Chelsea flesh, you know.
2 sprat on the side.
Man, thing I love, man, fish head, man, you know.
A bad man.
Smell the paper.
Yeah.
Part of the menu that, you know. It's the menu where curry fish head, you know.
Shit.
Yeah, man, okra. Scallion, thyme, pepper. Soak the tomato and stick, you know. Carrot. Whoa!
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Sprat
man,
on the
it's
side.
Pull up a sprat on the side, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see what I said?
So we cook dumpling and rice.
It's a rice. Rice, I want
Some pumpkin rice.
yeah, man, cause
Yo.
it's a place, steam it up and come up, watch me. Whoa, you see what the paper, watch it.
Pumpkin rice. It's a pumpkin them a ball out. Pumpkin them a ball
All
out.
night, you know. No, Jen. See what I say? Proper people, you see?
Yes, it's Steve.
Yeah, man. Look at the cold long enough, let's make it go on steep, keep it hot, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Steve. Sure.
Oh, people, yeah. See what I say?
Sure.
No pot, you know?
Yeah, new part.
Man, get you know?
Kick it out.
Kick in, you see what I say? Yeah, man.
Okay.
Proper the people.
Good.
Yeah, man. Proper when I want noble night, you know?
Yeah. So one noble planet see there.
Yeah, man, it's not tell the man. Yeah. Man, I love it, man.
Sure.
Man, I love it, man. I tell you, man.
Preparation.
Yeah, man.
Ready.
Ready up and thing already, you know? Yeah, man, people, man. Ready already, you know, people.
Calling the work of them.
Yeah, man. Big up all our sponsors and donors, alright? I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Things that go on, the food that we eat, you know, right now, I want to make I eat food. Right now.
Sure.
Certain thing we just done with certain thing and I deal with certain thing.
Yeah.
So what I deal with there?
Good life.
Kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen.
Yeah, man. That's
Good
what I
food,
deal with
cooking.
right now. Yeah, man.
Whoa.
So police and soldiers see them say, yeah, man, you love the program. Respect, you know?
Good thing.
Good thing we are dealing with, because them say, well, you them not dealing with no gun. Whoa, people, this is what they dealing with. See what I dealing with?
Straight life.
Yeah, man.
Mackerel on the
Mackerel
side.
and, you know?
And
Beans, that's the people that me deal with. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, baby.
Starfish and
Beans
baby.
and saltfish, you see me I say?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, man. That's the people, watch it. Oh. That's the people. Yeah, man, I have a fish on the side, you know?
Side.
Man, look at them.
Ball out.
Ball out. You see me I say, Jenna? Look at them, ball out.
Ball out.
Yeah, man. You see me I say, Dada? Look at them, ball out, right here. Proper, man, you know? And rice, pumpkin rice done already, steamed, you see me I say? Yeah, man.
Good to go.
Good to go, man. You see me I
On the
say?
side, them a go and relax.
Yeah, man, told the spot them up on the side just as a John, you know. Brush off teeth later, you know. See me I say?
Like toothpaste.
Yeah, man.
Brush.
Whoa. You see me I say?
Whoa.
Yeah, man. I come to find them there, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We set the thing, man. The thing set, we, you know. We set it, man, you know. So we do teamwork, you know.
Power of the car.
The teamwork. Whoa.
Sure.
Man, teamwork with the teamwork, you know.
Sure.
Yeah, man, car. You see?
Alright, chef.
Yeah, stop shooting the pot them, you know.
Yeah.
Oh.
On the
Yeah,
new
man, fine.
stove.
Yeah, man, you see? Got to store people. And you start baking.
Yeah, that's the baking.
Yeah, man.
Well, that's my car.
Come on, bake. One of those days, you know. Yeah, man, proper fish pan there, you just put fish pan it on it. You see me, I say? How they with chicken, you just put chicken pan it, you see me, I
I'm
say?
going to go to the farm and come back, yeah.
Wow, people, I love it.
Yeah.
Man. You see me, I say? We go for my donors, you know.
Be a baking when that traders drop in
Man,
later.
this dropping more, man. Be a man.
Just.
First thing I bake pan it, a pudding.
Yeah.
Slice up for the team. Because the team long time, the team no eat pudding, you know.
Yeah.
Wow, the team no eat pudding long time, the people, but what? So nothing, man. People are going to start eat pudding.
Sure.
They're going to start bake a couple things, man, you know.
Yeah.
Couple fish on the side, and you know. Chicken done. Snack it.
Yeah, big chicken and thing.
People, everybody love you know. Respect, you know.
Alright, big up.
Big up, you know.
Straight up, chef.
Yeah, man, because when someone say the thing look proper, man, you can say, yeah, man, love what the chef did, you know.
Yeah. So the first around, I go up and running, man.
Up and running, man, people, man. Watch
So
your
now
face.
later, you see that.
Oh,
Whoa! Dream team.
dream team, you know. Dream team.
Dream team.
Dream team for life, you know. Yeah, man. Here in the look at this, you know.
Yeah.
Barge, I'm so barge, I want to look.
Sharing is scary.
Barge, I look at it, I look step up on it.
Yeah, man, do want to look like that. Do want to go like that. Sharing is scary.
Whoa.
Step up the ladder, pan it.
Yeah, man, step up.
I'm talking with you.
See, falling on the side.
Do that.
Hold them on the mind.
Tell man.
And then I put a step up on it, man.
Well, if you bring the fish, most of them are good. Wrap up the ladder. Wrap up the ladder. Yeah, are you happy? Up top.
Barge, I hear it in this place.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.